Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store spore prints effectively. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining viability and preventing contamination. We'll cover the best materials for collection, ensuring your prints are perfectly dry, and how to handle them without introducing unwanted elements. Following these steps will help preserve your valuable genetic material for future use. For optimal long-term storage, a cool, dark, and dry environment is paramount. Think of a refrigerator, but not a freezer, as freezing can damage the spores. Consistent temperatures, ideally between 35 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, will significantly prolong their life. Crucially, keep humidity low to prevent any moisture from compromising your valuable prints. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, just like you're carefully preserving your spore prints, you can also preserve your delicious meals. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once dry, carefully place your spore prints into small, airtight bags or envelopes. Adding a small desiccant packet, such as silica gel, inside the container will help absorb any lingering moisture, providing an extra layer of protection. Remember to label each package clearly with the species name and the exact date of collection for easy identification later. For truly long-term preservation, vacuum sealing your packaged prints is an excellent strategy. This removes oxygen, a major factor in degradation. While generally not recommended for initial storage, a freezer can be used for very extended periods, provided prints are vacuum sealed. Always let frozen prints slowly reach room temperature before opening to prevent condensation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.